Jennifer Lawrence from Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Florida Network Realty. I'm here giving you a virtual sneak peek into my open house that I'll be holding next weekend. This home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,800 square feet, and a pool, all for $695. Let's go take a look inside. Welcome in. This home is equipped with beautiful countertops, granite, stainless steel appliances, and a view of your swimming pool. Want to see inside your master suite? Let's take a look. Welcome to your second bedroom. Welcome to your third and final bedroom. Welcome to your wraparound balcony. Want to see more? I'll have this beauty open June 6th from 11 to 2. Come see me.